Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Harsha and you are watching Minute to Fluent with Harsha. So today is day 17 and let me ask you something. When a problem happens, do you always try to remove it completely or sometimes you try to make it little less serious? Because in real life, we can't always remove problems, but we can reduce them. So today I am going to teach you the exact word for this. Yes, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So today's word of the day is mitigate. Yes, we use mitigate as a verb. Now let's understand the meaning. Mitigate means to make something less serious or less painful, or we can say to reduce the intensity of something. इन हिंदी मिटिगेट का मतलब होता है किसी समस्या को कम करना. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट सम सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दिस वर्ड. रिड्यूस, ease, alleviate and lighten. These are the synonyms. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. Exercise can mitigate the stress. Open communication can mitigate the misunderstandings. Now here comes a smart trick to understand this word easily. Think of this situation. You are feeling stress. You can't remove it completely, but you do something to make it less. So that action is called mitigate. So just remember simple trick. Make it less means mitigate. Yes. Now here comes some alternatives you can use instead. Take the edge off. This is idiom. This music helps take the edge off my stress. Cut down on. I'm trying to cut down on my stress. Calm down. This will help you calm down. So I hope you like this word and these alternatives as well. If you like this word, try to make sentences and try to use this as much as possible in your conversation. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in my next video with another powerful word in our 30-day vocabulary series. Bye bye. See you.